Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to the Harry Show. Yes, this is my second attempt of making this. Um, well, I already made it, and it gonna take like 1 hour to upload. Even though it went like 13 minutes long. Like, I didn't wait like an hour to upload it. Um, yeah, this is an update to the channel. First of all, if you notice, I haven't played another one is bad. Like, simple one is out there. Anyway, like I said, I had to see my profile pic and my reaction area. Um, I think that a lot better. Um, and I have a trailer for the next storyline that will premiere tomorrow. Um, it'll be about, so basically it'll be about, the three like Ryan, Rodnana, and Bella are actually a family. But Ryan did not even know. Yeah, for a long time he thought that Rodnana was just his partner and his mother died. Um, right, and that was true, but I'm not getting into too many spoilers. Um, but Ryan is obviously not happy with this, and Harry is trying to help him out. Um, yeah, probably do check that out tomorrow. I also have a short that will premiere on Friday. Um, it'll be like an aftermath of Reflection. Um, something called The Harry So Short Bella. Like, literally just Bella. So, also check it out. I do plan on doing a Q&A at some point. I can ask any question to all the characters. I'll also be doing a full puppet collection this month or next month. It depends. Um, and what is a puppet to replace Momo, I'll do another one next year. I did plan on being on YouTube at least for about 3 years, maybe 5. Um, at least. Um, this will be my last year of school. So I'm a senior. So, but I also been doing transition. So it depends how that will work. I think that now I think I got everything out of the way. Now let me, no fireworks. Now no, please do check out my 4th of July special that premiered earlier today. It was pretty fun to me. So please do check that out. Let's see. Oh no, I think that might be all. I think I got everything out of the way. Oh yeah, next month I will be reacting to the Don't Hunt Me Upstairs. 1 through 6. But I feel like at least every Monday. See, Monday I don't really expect anything. Except with Norman. No. Yeah. You know, in September, there is like a small TV series. And hopefully it's not that long, but I'll be able to react to it. Usually it's pretty windy out there, and the fireworks that are moving. in order to find that free, going crazy. But yeah. Alright guys, I think that might be it for today. I think I got everything out of the way. I might do a house tour at some point when I find time. But overall, my reaction, I want to improve. Like you can tell during my normal reaction, I definitely have improved a lot better. Not like change to the self, to the man. Not like I'm more motivated. No. Like on the self, like yeah, see my arm and it's too tired, don't keep hairing up. But now I'm up on the bed, it would be a lot easier to, do reaction videos. So, yeah. Alright guys, I think that will be it for me. So, thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all tomorrow. So, goodbye.